Good morning, parents. Welcome to Hyperloop Station.
As we all know, time is very important to all of us, and due to the increase in population, the number of vehicles has also increased, and that leads to heavy traffic, which increases the time taken to travel from place to place, and this has become a major problem in the modern world. To overcome this, Elon Musk has come up with the concept of a train which goes at the speed of sound. It moves this fast because friction and low pressure are removed. Now these two factors are main because they prevent any vehicle from moving fast. So if they are removed, vehicles can move at an unbelievable speed.
Hyperloop is a passenger mode of transport which moves at the speed of sound. This model was created by a joint team from Tesla and SpaceX. This back train consists of a system of tubes. Which means the train may travel at free of air resistance or friction. This model was published on August 2013 by Elon Musk.
So now, as we all know that the Hyperloop works on the concept of zero friction and low pressure. So it goes at a high speed. So it can cover a route at an average speed of 970 kilometers per hour with its top speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. So let's take an example from Vijayawada to Amravati. If you go by train, it will at least take 1.5 hours. But when you go by Hyperloop, it will just take 5 to 8 minutes.
It works on the concept of magnetism and it helps in levitating the train and it moves faster than a manual train. Today, Hyperloop Transportation Technologies, one of the companies that formed to realize Musk's vision of tube travel, announced it has signed a deal with the state of Andhra Pradesh in southeast India. HTT will spend 6 months of time finding possible routes for Hyperloop connecting the cities of Vijayawada to Amravati, a move that would transform 27-mile and hour-long distance into a 6-minute push.
So the Hyperloop per person costs about 6 billion US dollars per person and 7.5 US billion dollars somewhat a passenger and a vehicle at high speed.
A few companies have been formed and several interdisciplinary student-led teams are working hard on this project to advance the technology. SpaceX has also built a 1 mile long subscale track for its pod design competition. Claims have also been made that the Hyperloop is not yet safe from the terror attacks and the power outage.
These are called pods. Like in airways, buses take you from the station to the aeroplanes. Similarly, these pods take you from the station to the Hyperloop and they settle inside it so that when you reach your destination, they can take you to various places.
According to Musk, the concept of Hyperloop can be useful on Mars as no tubes would be required. And because Mars's atmosphere is 1% the density of the Earth's. But to bring up this concept on Earth, we need low pressure tubes to reduce the air resistance. You'd be proud to know that 800 engineers are working on this project, but 25 of them are Indians.
We will now show you how it works. This is called a pod inside the Hyperloop train and it levitates due to magnetic repulsion and it goes very fast because of zero pressure and low friction.